These, the mother's puppies. Oh, they are so adorable, aren't they? Oh, oh, hello everybody. Oh, the 4 little puppies, aren't they adorable? Oh, I'm thinking about wanting to adopt one of them, but I know again they cost a lot. And again, I really don't know how much they're actually worth though here in America, especially if they're at animal shelters or something. To ask the question though, just curious actually, if you guys again do have animal shelters in Ireland, Australia, Scotland, or London, United Kingdom, or England, again, I'm just curious if my boyfriend and I ever do take a trip there, or if we ever do, plan on living there one of these days. Just saying. I'm curious on how much, again, they actually cost, or how much they're worth at animal shelters. However, I do got those cats, but I really, I can't sadly be around them cats. That is, I do love cats, especially kittens. But sadly, again, I really wish I wasn't allergic to them. Eesh. Unbelievable allergies. Anyway, these puppies are so adorable, aren't they? Aww. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. Well, the mommy's cleaning them, I guess, or something. I don't know. Well, still, they are so beautiful, so adorable. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments about the little puppies and their mother. Again, I really do hope you're all staying safe and are staying clear of the virus. We're doing the best that we can too. I really am thinking a lot about my boyfriend and his siblings' father and everything. It's really sad. It's very sad. Anyway, comment and leave a comment in the comment section. I care about all of you, and I hope again you are all staying safe and are having a still